guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas for 2020. I have now finished days 11 to 15 of the blanket, and let's just say it's getting a little bit long. So you can see we've got the Earl Grey, icing sugar, watermelon, just peachy, and then finally elderberry for day 15. And I've got my progress mark keepers down the side on the rows that I received them for, so that's coming along nicely. I'm well over halfway now, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it's going to end. So I'll put that to one side. Now also I've finished work now. Today is actually the 22nd. I haven't opened days 16 to 20, so that's what I'm going to do today, and then I can work on the blanket tomorrow and add photos in for that after. What I have done though is I finished work on the 18th, and I had my students in textiles making these little bobble hats, so you can make a garland with these and hang them from the window. And all you need is some rings from a toilet roll, so you're going to need a pair of scissors to cut that up. I'm going to see if I can do a mini video tutorial for you as well. You're going to need some random balls of yarn. Chunky works up so much quicker though, so bear that in mind. And some stuffing. That is literally it. So I'm going to try and put together a mini tutorial for that, because they are actually quite quick to make. So let's pop that to one side. And finally, let's start opening boxes, shall we? So let's get down the small one. I'm going to do each day individually. So 16, 16, 17, 17. So it breaks up a little bit. And if I manage to get all the bits completed for the blanket, I'll pop them in as and when they're supposed to go in. So let's get cracking, shall we? Okay, so SiobhansCrafts calendar. Let's find day 16. So we've got the silver one. I've managed to not see any of these on Instagram. I'm actually quite pleased. It's been very difficult to stay off Instagram though. So, oh, there's a bag in this one as well. Ooh. So our last ones were amber and citrine for 14 and 15, and what I've actually started doing is write on the labels what number they were. So I'm hoping I'll remember to put these in order and I can write these on. So today we have Tiger's Eye for day 16. So some lovely brown tones in there. There's a bit of orange in there as well, some gold tones. It's just very, very autumnal. I love Tiger's Eye. It's such a beautiful stone because it's got like a translucent iridescence to it, so it shimmers. Oh, and there's a little Tiger's Eye charm in here as well. So let's see if we can get this to flash on the screen. So you can see gold tones in there as well. And again, it's on a earring find enclosure, so that can go on to any project. Just pop that back in the bag. And what I have been doing is actually tying the bags to the skein of yarn that they belong to, just so I can keep track of everything and that they don't all get tangled up in the bottom of the bag then. So that's 16. Let's pop that to one side. And let's find, so 16's over here, the big one. So this is meant to be again. No, this is bubblegum. So this is the bright green. This is bubblegum. So we had this on day... What day did we have this one on? Can't remember. Day 4? Yeah, this is day 4's. So again, we're going through the colours again. We had watermelon, just peachy, and now we've got... Oh, we also had elderberry, and now we've got bubblegum again. So let's pop that back in there for a sec. And then 17, so we'll go back into SiobhansCrafts. Got a little gold pouch this time. Oh, that's a bright colour. Nothing like the tiger's eye at all. So this is Carnelian. Oh, that's really lovely. So you've got some lovely orangey tones, red tones in there, a bit of pink as well, pinky peach. And then you've got some nice lighter tones in the middle. Carnelian has a really nice structure to it. It's kind of almost stripy, but it has all the different tones of red to orange in there. So that's really nice. Let's pop that one to one side. That actually works. It goes really nicely against the tiger's eye. Siobhan, these yarns all go so beautifully together. I'm so happy that I got your element this year. So pop 17 back in the box. Hang on, 17's behind me. It's over here. So let's see if I can do it without knocking my lights off, because they're a bit... I've had to move them again today. So my lights are going to go. So this should be, if we're going based on previous colours, this should be strawberry milkshake. Can't seem to open properly on this side. Oh no, it's Go Grape. Go Grape, so that's the darker pink that we had before. Let's fix my lights again. Not impressed really with the way these balls are coming out there. They're all loose and unravelled, but I'll tidy them up. So let's put the lights back up. I think that's better. So that was day 17. So let's have a look at day 18. 18 is a little purple box. Oh, this one's nice and rich. Jasper. Jasper comes in lots and lots of different colours, and you can get dyed Jasper as well. So I'm surprised this is a red one, because to me Jasper is generally black, not black, brown. Picture Jasper is brown, and then you have Dalmatian Jasper, which is black and white. Then you have Jasper with black speckles in it, which is red. So it does come in a lot of different colours, but that is actually a really nice semi-solid. It'll be interesting to see how these end up working up once I finally get this pattern written. So next one then, that was 18. I think 18 is right behind me, isn't it? Yeah, I keep having to shift over because they're all in different places. Right behind me. There we go. And let's try not to knock off the lights again. So 18, this one is the strawberry milkshake. So that's the lighter pink that we had before. Back into the little one. So we want 19, don't we? 19 is blue one. This one's a reddish colour as well. This is called Ruby. So Ruby comes in all different tones of red. This is more of a pinky colour though. There are dark tones in there, like dark speckles. I think I would actually say that Ruby is more like the colour we had for Jasper. Although I think the Jasper one's got orange undertones in it. It's very difficult in this light, so I'll try and get some better pictures in the morning of them. But yes, you have Jasper, and then we have Ruby. So that's day 19. Where is 20 in here then? That was 20. So get that one out ready. So 19 is down here. We're back to the green. So this is Pear Drops. That really nice green colour. And then last one then is 20. So we've got another black box. This one's really nice and red. What is this one? Oh, that's pretty. This one is Garnet. Yep, Garnet does have these really lovely wine colours in them. The skeins got a bit squashed in the box. So you've got lovely red tones, orangey tones, pink tones, and then that wine colour as well towards the bottom. And today comes with a much larger charm, which I think would actually be better off as a necklace. But it has all the stones for the chakras. And it is a Tree of Life pendant. So you've got, what have we got here? Jasper. Jasper is the brown. Then we've got some, I don't know what that one is. Don't know what that one is, but the next one is citrine. And we've got some jade, some sodalite, or is that part? That is, no, that's lapis, amethyst, and then clear quartz. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different stones on there. This is the last one. It's right at the top, in the middle. So let's get it open. So this one I would expect to be a green. I would expect this to be mint to be. Yep, mint to be. So that is a really nice minty colour. Greeny one. Oh, there's a little gingerbread house. Oh, that's cute. See if I can get this to focus. There we go. Little gingerbread house stitch marker. So I'm going to add that to my blanket when I get to day 20. And that is it for this week. So part 4 is over and done with, and I'll sort out that little tutorial for you as well because it's super quick and the kids can make it as well. It's that easy. So yeah, I'm going to head over to the blog now and find the patterns for these 5 days, and then I will see you all again tomorrow to open up. What am I going to do tomorrow? I'm going to open up. So tomorrow is day 23, but I don't want to open up days 21 to 23 because there's only 24 doors on the calendar. So I'm going to open up 21 and 22 tomorrow, and then on the 24th I will open up 23 and 24. That way it spreads it out a little bit more and you don't get me rambling and rushing through 5 doors in one go, or 4 doors, and might actually get a chance to catch up on the pattern because I really want to get it finished on Christmas Eve, because I have a Christmas Eve gift I bought myself, but it's a mystery. I have no idea what's in it, and I would like to open that on Christmas Eve. So, and try and potentially cast on a Christmas Eve project. So yeah, time to head over and get these patterns so I can get this finished. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Anyone who's been following along with the fact that I've worn different jumpers each part, you can see today I'm wearing this really fluffy number, which I actually picked up in the charity shop. It's rather snuggly and warm. So it is a grey / silver with white furry bits, which is super, super cozy and warm. And I will show you the other jumper that I wore last week as well, which is this one. This one is a Pikachu jumper. So I have a dancing Pikachu. I've got some Pokeballs on the Christmas trees, and there's even some Pokemon. Yeah. There's even some Pikachus down the bottom with some Christmas hats on. So let's show you those, shall we? See? Pikachu with a Santa hat. I think it's festive. What about you?